Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the last question of your bird's bath. I have seen in your copies you have written wrong bird's bath. I told you bird's bath you have to write S, you have to write apostrophe comma upstairs after the S, and you're all writing before the S. You're not listening to the videos. You must आपको वीडियो सुनने चाहिए, तभी आपको पता चलेगा कि करेक्ट कैसे लिखना है, क्योंकि सुनना सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है. सुनना, फिर उसके बाद बोलना, उसके बाद रीड करना और उसके बाद लिखना. आप ना सुनते हो, ना बोलते हो, ना रीड करते हो, सीधा लिखते हो और गलत लिखते हो. जब तक आप सुनोगे नहीं तब तक आपको समझ नहीं आएगा, तब जब तक आप वीडियोस में बोलोगे नहीं तब तक आपको पोएम याद नहीं होगी, जब तक आप बोलोगे नहीं तब तक आप लिखोगे कैसे. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू लिसन, स्पीक, रीड एंड देन राइट. सो डोंट स्टार्ट विद राइटिंग फर्स्ट. सो बर्ड्स बाथ इज एस के बाद ऊपर कॉमा लगता है. सो व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू डू इज describe in your own words how the robins drink from and enjoy themselves in the pretty little pool. So it is very easy. How will you write? You will just mention that all the robins cluster or gather. Cluster का एक और word क्या है? Gather. All the robins gather around the edge of the pretty little pool. They sit down, they chirp, they enjoy, they flutter down to drink the water. Then they splash and splash, and then they take bath in the pool, and then they fly sweetly, and then they sing and they sweetly fly into the sky. So basically they are enjoying. So you have to write how do they enjoy. I have given you all the words. They will cluster or they will gather around the edge. They will sit down and chirp. Chirp मतलब चू चू करना, CHIRP, chirp. They chirp and then they flutter मतलब फड़फड़ाना. They flutter down to drink the water. Then they splash and splash in the pool, take bath, and then they fly. And then they fly with delight. Delight मतलब खुशी से. They fly happily into the sky. They fly happily into the sky. So this is the answer. So अगर आप वीडियो को ढंग से सुनेंगे तो आप आराम से लिख सकते हैं. मैं एक एक आंसर को दो बार रिपीट करती हूँ, फिर भी आप सुनते नहीं हैं, बिल्कुल गलत लिखते हैं. आप देखते भी नहीं हैं आप गलत लिख रहे हो. आपको किसी की हेल्प की ज़रूरत नहीं अगर आप वीडियो सुन के लिख लें तो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वर्ड पार. Now circle the words in each group that rhyme with the words in orange. First word is brink. What do you mean by brink? Edge. Now what are the words which rhyme with it? The next word is wink. Wink मतलब आँख मारना. Sink. Sink मतलब जिसमें हम हाथ धोते हैं. Sing will not be the rhyming word क्योंकि end में K नहीं आता. Drink. Drink मतलब पीना. Swing. Swing भी rhyming नहीं है. So what three words are rhyming? Wink, sing and drink. Next word is flash. Flash मतलब तेज़ी से जाना. So flash का क्या क्या rhyming होगी? Clutch. Clutch नहीं होगी. Clash. Clash होगी. Slash. Slash भी होगी. Hutch. Hutch नहीं होगी. और dash. Dash भी होगी. So all these rhyming words you have to circle. Next, delight. Now what do you mean by delight? खुश होना. Right. Rhyming है flight. Rhyming है bright. Rhyming है wait. Rhyming नहीं है और light भी rhyming है. सारे rhyming words को आपको circle करना है. Next, mate. Mate. What is the rhyming? Head. Head is not the rhyming. Wade. Wade is rhyming. Jade is rhyming. Read is not rhyming and fade is also rhyming. Garden. Now what are the rhyming words of garden? Bright. No. Pardon. Yes. Pardon मतलब pardon me, मेरे को माफ़ी दे दो. Pardon मतलब माफ़ करना. Done. Not rhyming. One. Not rhyming. And broken. Broken is also rhyming. Next word is clean. Now what is the rhyming of clean? Spring. No. Sweep. No. Queen. No. Heat. No. Spleen. Spleen is only rhyming. So जितने rhyming words है you have to circle them and you have to send me videos of this rhyming words with their meanings. You have to give me the meanings. Suppose if you are doing brink and then you do wink, so you have to tell me the meaning of wink in a small with a picture. So if you do it with a picture, you will learn all these rhyming words very well, and you will show me a nice video. I want this video from Kartik Yadav, from both the Kartik Yadavs, then Rabia, then Kashvi, then I want it from Ovian, then who else we can do? Yes, Natik child, new child. I would like him to give some videos. Then even Anshu Dabas. Please make videos of these rhyming words and show it to me. It will be great fun for you. Okay? Thank you.